It's more riced out than my car.
What is?
Just kidding.
Who's doing your hash brown, Albert?
Oh, that. You got your sucky and your blowy. What?
What's going on, guys? Nelbert Castillo and Sean Mick here.
And that guy.
Hi.
Working with the Dirt Boy.
There's one thing that I need to keep working on my videos is making a intro, which I totally forgot. So in this video, it's my buddy's 2017 Ford Focus ST, and it's just us hanging out and installing his front mount intercooler. And unfortunately, you know, obviously we ran into some issues, but you'll see throughout the video, it's really not much of a tutorial. It's literally just us installing it and just hanging out. What do you need?
T20?
T20? You have a T20, okay?
On everything, you got 10 millimeter splits.
T.
Either a T20 or a T30.
Is it Allen or Torx?
It's Torx. I have a set in that Stanley.
All royalties, something gets launched because of that.
More power, baby.
Oh shit. Oh yeah. Hamburgering.
That'll be alright.
KJ, what'd you do?
In theory, the bumper should be ready to come off.
In theory? They said to just give it a good yank, but I'm pretty sure they said there's a bolt underneath the headlight.
The videos you watch, Albert.
A few moments later.
What?
You got a lot of people that flash you.
Yeah, all the time. All the time.
You disconnect your power? Nope.
We're getting there, Albert. We're getting there. This one's zip tied on.
God damn it, Carl. Zip ties.
Like the clip's broken, so they zip tied the two together.
This isn't a JDM.
Yeah.
See my car.
Yeah.
You disconnected.
It doesn't have money.
Huh?
It's not the best.
It's not how they work.
They're all one piece.
Oh,
It goes to that side.
Yeah, we can
Go
go
to
there.
that side.
Yeah.
The hard part's over.
Remember, that's what I saw. Remember, or
You can't get my name right.
now hole.
No. I got it. Yeah. Oh, shit, yeah.
You can only move like a couple inches out.
What's funny is I just bought a set, dude.
You didn't bring it?
I did not bring
You don't like me, Albert?
had to make it a little difficult. Life ain't easy, guy.
You're right. Oil, bad.
Bad oil.
Bad oil.
Oil bad.
Oil bad, bad oil.
Cycle.
Hungry.
Or mission one.
A boat?
Yeah, I was laying on it. I'm not fucking laying. I laid on it so it wouldn't go anywhere.
Oh, this is the book. It looks like that one.
Looks like this one.
Yeah, those two.
Not that one.
You got this one
That
here.
one right there.
Oh shit.
Well, in theory, you lift up. Oh, don't you have to take the air dam off?
I think we just gotta pull on it till the bottom.
Your flashlight?
Flashlight? Oh yeah, it's back in there.
Your flashlight?
Back in chrome.
What, you just stabbed my car?
Yeah, I'm stabbing your car. Oh, your mass airflow sensor too. Did you unplug?
Yeah,
did you
that's
unplug
unplugged. What are you humping about? I don't like that. What's going on over there? What are you not telling me?
He's like, well, let me just bend this back.
So I'm gonna go inside real quick. So now the only thing in theory is these. And the YouTube videos they just show side to side.
There you go. I got it.
Got it?
Yeah, I just didn't want to break your mass airflow sensor.
Look at this little thing.
I made sure to take care of it. You get seatbelt clamps. There you go. Oh, see, I didn't break anything on my side, Sean.
I was about to just yank it.
That's right.
Like a little surprise.
Probably sell it still.
Probably.
The stock one, the new one.
So it's taller and it's thicker.
Thicker. Thick. Thick boys.
Your AC condenser.
Is that what that is?
This guy. Behind you, ready to go.
I take that out. Race
Should
car.
spray paint a message on your intercooler that says "sell it," so when they're ahead of you, they can look at the rear view mirror.
Wow. Thanks for the encouraging thoughts.
That's it.
Well, it's got some bolts. It's got some things.
It didn't come with T-bolt clamps. That is lame.
What is that?
I know your car has them.
What?
T-bolt clamps.
T-bolt? No.
I did look in your box.
Uh,
These kind of, they're Randall.
yeah.
These are the clamps that should have came with.
Well, I'm not making fucking boom boom power.
It's only 800. Okay,
Potential.
700. He needs a better fuel pump. You should get a Walbro 525 like me.
0 horsepower.
Hey, me too.
Yeah, I need to get the pumper in there.
I'm making 0 horsepower too. Pick between the two.
They gave me a new bolt for this,
Boat?
but it don't fit to this.
Yep.
You got a drill bit.
Yeah.
Slightly bigger than water out.
Randall's 2017. I'm gonna just call it a Jackmobile.
It doesn't have to.
It's more riced out than my car.
What is?
Just kidding.
Who's doing your hash brown, Albert?
Oh, it said that you guys can have it. Sean was asking if you guys wanted to split it. I said, go ahead.
There you go.
I need to lose some weight.
Yeah.
You got your sucky and your blowy. Actually, where is your blow off valve?
Under the passenger wheel.
A plastic intake manifold.
Yes.
Need to
Apparently they can hold up to like 800.
Yeah.
till
How low, but they can do it.
till it blows up like a Subi.
Whoosh.
What happened there, guy? Did you paint these covers?
No.
Or previous owner painted
Yeah.
them?
That's all this.
Oh, loose bolts everywhere?
Huh?
You have a loose bolt just hanging over?
Where?
Or is that for your...
Is that cross-threaded?
Oh, it is cross-threaded. Well, I'm guessing it's for stock intake.
Yeah. It's not cross-threaded, it just doesn't sit all the way in.
Yeah.
I think you should take it out when you need it.
No, it's there for just in case.
Just in case you need an extra bolt.
Yeah.
Breaking his mass airflow sensor.
Not breaking it,
Yeah,
I'm modifying it. I need an Allen key.
Which one?
One of them.
Allen or Torque?
Allen.
Allen key. Allen? Allen. Fred. Uh-oh.
3 days later.
Got it.
Focus so good.
There you
At the
go.
end of the day, it's just a Ford Focus with some performance parts.
Yeah.
Randall, do you have holes in your socks?
No.
I
don't.
How many airmen do you know that have holes in their socks? That would rather buy car parts than buying socks?
I've been doing it for a long fucking time.
Yeah, me too, actually.
This?
This one?
Oh,
That one?
It's pretty decent, I bet.
Honestly, these little STs are peppy. They're really quick for what they are.
Peppy. Called your car Peppy.
Okay.
Well, Nelbert is a lesbian that vapes in a Subaru.
I don't vape. Lesbian, maybe. Well, let's just throw this bitch back on. Let's see, Randall.
What if it doesn't start? How about taking the phone?
Should probably go get ethanol.
No, it's 91 80 30. So like you press the reset button on the cruise control, and then up on the cruise control, it'll change to the E30 map, and if you press down, it'll change to the 91 map.
Oh, that's cool.
The Subarus not do that?
No.
6.5 hours later.
So, first start?
Start, maybe. Hope it doesn't fall off the jack stand.
Evo broken down.
Not broken as usual. Sweating horsepower.
Oh yeah, actually, that's actually a true statement. And again, same thing with the intro. I didn't make an intro to the Ford Focus video, so I'm making the outro after the fact. Unfortunately, with the weather here in North Dakota, it is cold, it's icy. I'm sitting in my garage making an outro video, and it is quite cold, so that's why I got my hoodie on. But throughout the video, we did run into weird issues installing the intercooler. Like, the instructions are not clear exactly on which part of the stock bracket you're supposed to hang the intercooler on. Turns out you're not supposed to hang it like the stock intercooler. You're supposed to mount the hooks underneath where the little shroud used to be, where the plastic shroud was. So as you saw in the video, we were kind of struggling with that. But other than that, he wasn't able to do any data logs because the Ford Focus, the moment you put it in second gear, it just spins. He had to do third and fourth gear pulls, and unfortunately, with it being icy out, we couldn't do anything with the data logging. It was just, by the time we got it done, it was too wet outside. So we'll have to do a follow-up video. Even right now, it's been a week, and it is now snowing, and it's icy out. He still hasn't been able to do a data log. So the car is running on a semi-okay tune. I know he was running rich when we were driving it around, but really, it was a fun build. I say fun build, fun install. Just hanging out with my buddies and getting that done. Hopefully, as soon as it dries up, he gets the data log. He's going to be running E30, so it should push a decent amount out of those front wheels. And unfortunately, he's on winter tires, so even when he does get some data logs in, he's going to spin out until we get some summer tires on that bad boy, and even then I'm pretty sure with that car it's just gonna spin out. But we'll have to see when we do a follow-up video. It'll be a good time on that one. So I'll do a video soon on my STI, which I do need to finish that freaking build. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.